Guys, I'm just on my way to pick up a parcel from the post office, but just look at this view. And the sunset just makes it all the more beautiful. Love that. I'm just trying to reach the post office before it closes. I was editing the entire day, just finished. I'm still importing the video, and now I'm trying to get this parcel before it gets sent back to Melbourne. It's actually my passport. Got a parcel for you. Thank you. Hey guys, I got my new passport. Yay! I'm so happy. Let's go to the gym, shall we?
Late night city life, it always gets so plain. I'm getting tired of all this talking. Maybe we should go back to your place on mine tonight. Give me reasons why we shouldn't stay the night to fight this feeling. We both know that it feels right. I'm in so deep and now I can't help myself.
My body's too sore from yesterday. Did a bit of workout yesterday, core workout, and I'm kind of sore. So I just finished showering. I have to run some errands today. It is 8:55 in the morning. First thing, we are gonna unbox a parcel I have this parcel. It's been here for a while and I just didn't get the chance to unbox it myself. This one's from Shein and they're bags, and I don't know why I hoarded them because I've been trying to declutter stuff in my room. I actually have a box here because I'm sending stuff I don't need and I don't use anymore back to the Philippines, so my sisters could hopefully use them. Let's just open it, shall we? Let's do this one first. Also, I've been MIA on YouTube for a while because, like I said, I've been working double time the past 2 weeks. We're over that now. Just gonna work at our regular pace so we can keep posting regular videos. Oh, it looks like this. And they do have a brown one too, but I opted for the black, I guess. Looks like that. Why did I order a lot? Oh, I love the texture. So it looks like that. Why did I buy these patterns? And then this one's really cute. That one's really cute. Outfit for the day. So we are leaving in like 30 minutes. Have to be quick because I'm also hungry. And then my favorite glasses. I'm kind of liking this shape. these days. Previously I had like a square one. I find that these shapes suit me best. I have this one.
That gives you 40 minutes access.
Okay.
If you go to level 2, you can use the whole 40 minutes, or these computers only 20 minutes.
And we can email that, like scan.
Yeah, scans to email.
And then for printing,
Also up on level 2.
and the other library. I know. Do this one really quick because I'm starving. 3, 9. Right now we are at Gemini Cafe and just grabbing brunch. Now we'll see if this one's good. I actually ordered blueberry cream cheese bagel, so I'm really excited because it's cheese and I love everything cheese. So pretty! Our blueberry cream cheese bagel. And then, I don't know, I think this is the vanilla ice cream that's meant to be on top. But I asked them to put it on the side because I don't know if vanilla ice cream tastes good with the bagel, you know. That's really good. Picking up my hard drive. Let's go. 28. We got our hard drive and we are heading home, I guess. Guys, look at this. It's empty. Wow. I'm going upstairs. Hey guys, so we're at the kitchen. I'm back home, done showering, did a little bit of vacuuming in my room, and now I thought, why not bake something? Because I love sweets and I just need something to munch on. So we're baking. It's actually the same thing I baked in a past vlog. It's the berry crumble. The last time I did this, I actually used just blueberry, but now we have mixed berries. So looks like this. And I actually defrosted this for a while, so maybe an hour. So we'll see if cooking time shortens because of that. Let me just put you here. Okay. Looks like that. And then we put some lemon. I don't have fresh lemon. I'm gonna mix it all up. 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix it good. I'll flatten it. Make sure it's covered all our bases. And then it should look like this. Yum. Then we set that aside. And then we mix the dry ingredients. For our dry ingredients, I need a half almond butter, almond flour, not almond butter. But I do not have almond flour. So I'm gonna use like 1/4 of this and half of plain flour. So just use coconut flour. There you go. There you go. Oh, that smells so good. Tablespoon of cinnamon. That should be enough. And then again, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's it. Mix it all up. Oh, they're so sweet. And that's it. And then we bake it. So while our berry crumble is baking, it should take 30-45 minutes if all goes well. The last time took a little while because it wasn't defrosted much. But while waiting for our berry crumble to cook, I'm just gonna do a little bit of work. Not really work, like stuff I need to do. So I have stuff I need to apply for. So I was just trying to activate my online account, but I do not have a driver's license. So it's 3266700.
Have an online account, and you won't be able to create one because you don't have a driver's license, but I could do that for you.
We are done with that lighting. My hair colors kind of showing now, like you could see the difference. My hair's growing out. And I do have a DIY hair color kit, which I could do, but also I'm kind of, I feel like it won't do much. I've tried this one before. It didn't really do much. So I have this one. I don't know if I should try it. I don't think it will work because my dark hair, this one is just so stubborn. But we'll see. If I'm not lazy a bit later, I might do it. I'm kind of excited to eat. So let's see. Looks delicious. Here you go. There you go. Our berry crumble. So good. So it is now 4:20 p.m. Let's close that because it doesn't look nice. And we still have some sunlight, so I thought, why not start filling up the balikbayan box. Packing update. That's how it looks now. Clothes underneath, random stuff above, and I'm just gonna do a bit more of decluttering from my cabinet. Also, tattoo update, it's coming off. Hey guys, so I'm now in bed. As you can see, just trying to settle in for sleeping, getting myself ready to sleep. And I'm just gonna read this new book, Dark Matters. I'll let you know how it goes. And I just also want to say good night.